Hi, this is Eric the Parts Doctor. Today we're going to show you how to replace the diverter motor and diverter disc on your Whirlpool dishwasher. These instructions also apply to other Whirlpool Corporation dishwasher brands including KitchenAid, Maytag, Jenn-Air, Amana, and more. If you need a new diverter motor and disc for your Whirlpool dishwasher, you can check our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. The diverter motor and diverter disc are used to alternate the water from the lower spray arms to the upper spray arms. If the diverter motor fails, the dishwasher may not clean properly. The most common reason the diverter motor is replaced is because water starts to leak from it. If the diverter motor is leaking, the diverter motor seal is also likely bad. The seal is not sold separately and is only sold as part of the sump assembly. First, disconnect the power to the dishwasher. If your dishwasher has a power cord, unplug the dishwasher. If your dishwasher is hardwired, you'll need to turn off the power at the breaker before disconnecting the wires in the terminal box, which is located underneath the dishwasher. Next, disconnect the drain hose from the sink, plumbing, or garbage disposal. Then, feed the drain tube and power cord through the holes in your cabinet as far as they'll go. Next, turn off the water shutoff valve for the water supply line. Then, remove the access panel on the bottom of the dishwasher by undoing the retainers. Place a towel or sheet pan under the dishwasher to catch any water that may leak. Now, disconnect the water supply line from underneath the dishwasher. Leave the drain tube attached. Next, open the dishwasher door and remove the screws securing the dishwasher to the countertop. If your dishwasher is side-mounted, remove the screws from the cabinet, which may be located behind the cabinet seal or behind the plastic cap on the side of the dishwasher. You may need to lower the dishwasher's leveling legs if it is too tight against the countertop. Now, slide the dishwasher out from underneath the countertop, being sure to feed both the power cable and drain tube through the holes in the cabinet. Open the dishwasher's door. Then, pull the bottom dish rack forward and lift it up and out. The lower wash arm is held in place by a rotating coupler. Gently twist the coupler to the left to disconnect, then lift the wash arm up and out. Then, gently pull up on the manifold's water tube to disconnect it from the pump cover. Then, lift the manifold to remove it from the dishwasher. Next, remove the pump cover by lifting up on the locking arm and rotating it counterclockwise to get it over this tab. Then, release the two locking tabs on the water feed tube while rotating it counterclockwise and pull to remove it from the cover. Lift the pump cover up and out of the dishwasher. Then, with access to the diverter disc, lift it up and out to remove it. Carefully flip the dishwasher onto its back on a soft surface to avoid scratching or damaging it. The diverter motor is located here on the bottom of the dishwasher. Start by disconnecting the electrical connectors, making note of their location. Using a T15 Torx bit, remove these two screws holding the motor in place. Then, depressing the locking tab, lift the motor out. If you need a new diverter motor and disc, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure you are searching with the model number from the tag on the dishwasher to make sure you are getting the correct part. To install, insert the diverter motor actuator shaft into the sump while aligning the screw holes. Then, reinstall the screws. Reinstall the electrical connectors by aligning and pressing until they snap into place. Now, flip the dishwasher back up. To install, align the tab on the shaft of the diverter motor to the notch on the diverter disc and set it into place. Align the pump cover to the slot on the sump assembly and set it into place. Then, align the water feed tube assembly into the slot on the pump cover and rotate the cover into position. Ensure that both retainers on the water feed tube are secure and that the retaining clip on the pump cover is behind this tab on the sump assembly. Align the manifold with the water supply tube on the back of the dishwasher's housing and press to secure it in place. Then, insert the manifold back into the pump cover. Then, align the prongs on the lower wash arm to the gaps on the pump cover. Connect the wash arm by twisting the coupler to the right until it clicks into place. Align the wheels on the lower rack to the track on the door and set in place. Then, push it back into the dishwasher and close the door. To reinstall, begin by laying the water line on the floor so that it is in line with the inlet valve. Then, tape it down so it remains in place when sliding the dishwasher. With the dishwasher near the cabinet, feed the drain tube through the hole located towards the top of the cabinet and feed the power cord through the lower hole. Now, push the dishwasher back a few inches underneath the countertop and continue feeding the drain tube and power cord into the cabinet. Repeat until the dishwasher is in place. With the dishwasher door open, align the holes in the mounting brackets with the pre-existing screw holes under the countertop or with the screw holes in the cabinet if using side mounting brackets. You may need to extend the dishwasher's leveling legs to ensure a tight fit against the countertop. Then, reinstall the 2 mounting bracket screws. Now, reconnect the water line to the water inlet valve located on the bottom of the dishwasher. Then, reinstall the access panel by aligning and inserting the retainers and securing in place. Reconnect the drain tube to the sink plumbing or garbage disposal. Now, plug in your dishwasher. If your dishwasher is hardwired, you'll need to reconnect wires in the terminal box and restore power by flipping the breaker. Then, turn on the water valve. Finally, test the dishwasher and check for any leaks. That's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.